Sarah Lee's Deals, Steals, and Giveaways here. I also run the group Sarah Lee's Deals and Steals to save you money. And we have the USB-C hub here. And you can see it has all your little charging ports. You can plug it in to your computer. The C charger there. And then has all your different jacks, card readers and stuff. So if you had this plugged into the side of your computer, it would have everything that you need. These are really nice to have for an instant reader and stuff. And then this is the box. And it says it's for like a MacBook or devices that you would use a Type-C with. But you have all your accessories and everything that you can use with them. So if you're like me and constantly in the digital world, check this out today. Thanks a bunch.